Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And today obviously we're gonna see something that will work similarly like airdrop. If you know about Apple ecosystem, you know why Apple user love airdrop a lot, because it's feel like black magic. Just you have to, like, it can do everything. Like, if you want to copy your clipboard from your iPhone to your Mac or your MacBook, or send the image between two devices, it works seamlessly. Now, doing the same thing in the Windows and Android ecosystem is quite tough. Obviously is quite tough, but there are apps. And I have used a app previously, but the here is the thing, that doesn't work well for me. So that's why I haven't continue using it, and it wasn't free, first of all. So that's another thing. So today I have found out something great that will work exactly like airdrop, and it will support every device, not just Android, not just your Windows. Like, you can install it in every other device. Like, it will even support your Mac and your iPhone as well. Like, iPhone and Mac already have the ecosystem, you will tell me. But if you have only Mac and don't have iPhone, or if you have iPhone or don't have Mac, you can seamlessly transfer data between all of those. That would be also a great thing, right? So let's just dive into it. So here is our today's app. Name of this app is Clipt, and it's made by One Lab, as I can see it here. One Lab Studio. And as you can see here, it's available all of the major app stores, like Windows, not Windows, Chrome Web Store and Google Play and Apple Store as well. So here you can see, copy and paste across all your devices, secure and reliable. Now, the thing is, they use your Google Drive to transfer data between devices, like among all of your devices. That's why this thing is like quite more efficient. Like, you don't have to have properly uh in a connected network. Like, you don't have to have a Wi-Fi router, or in a integrated network, and connect all of your devices to the same network. It can be done over data only. That's also a great thing about it. And simple to use, increase your productivity. Obviously, I don't know about you, but this workflow obviously increase your productivity a lot. I have used it previously. I know how easier it would get while you are using it, like while you get used to it. So they basically have a Chrome extension here, and their Chrome extension basically work with every other browser. So I will obviously install this Chrome extension in every browser that I have right now. And when you are setting up, you just have to install the Chrome extension, keep it turned on, download the app on your mobile, and it will, like, if you connect the app with your Gmail ID, it will do everything automatically. You don't have to do anything rather than that. And later on, you just view their tutorials, see how to use, like, how to use it, how to transfer text and blah blah blahs, like text, images, files from your PC to your mobile, or your mobile to your PC. Just view those two tutorials, and that's it. You are ready to go. So really great thing, really great thing. This is gonna change my workflow a lot, because as of now, I was using a Telegram group. Like, I have created a Telegram group with another person, and then removed her or him. And later on, I just use that group for myself. and I usually transfer data through that Telegram group. This is a pretty cool hack that I was using till now, but obviously I gonna switch to this because this is more easy. So that's it. That's it about this little video. And I assume and I definitely know that yeah, this gonna help a lot of people, like a lot of productive people, a lot of people who are not in the Apple ecosystem. So yeah, that's it about this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, because I know this is something like you guys were waiting for. This is something great, to be honest. So that's it for this video. And if you know about some of the great apps like this, or some of the great websites, open source APIs, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section so I can feature them in my future video. So bye for now.